Hey guys, welcome to Ace Language School. Our today's topic of task 2 is in today's competitive world, many families find it necessary for both parents to go out to work, while some say the children in these families benefit from the additional income. Others feel they lack support because of their parents' absence. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Now, our statement is about that the families in which both parents are working, in that families children do not get much support from their parents, right? There are two views. First view is saying that in first view children of working parents get benefit, and in the second view children do not get attention or support from the families who are in which both the parents are working, right? So first let's start with the introduction, how we will write introduction of our essay. So while writing introduction we will have to present reason why this situation has arrived, means why the people or the families or the parents of one family have to work while their children are left alone at their homes, right? So first situation is due to the rise in the prices, right? Prices are rising, and this is an era of inflation in which everything is becoming costly, right? Or parents have to give a proper or a standard lifestyle to their children. That's why they rush for they rush to gain extra income, right, for the better upbringing of the children. So this is the reason why they adapt this lifestyle. So this we can write in our introduction, through which we can explain and the situation that affect children both positively and negatively. This line will be our last line of introduction, right? So let's start with the first view. First view is that children of working parents get benefit. First is the standardized quality of life than a single earner, right? The people or the parents of children who are working, they can get a better lifestyle, right? Because they can have a better education, they can afford the luxuries of a better lifestyle. For example, they can have branded clothes, branded video games, they can have electronic media, right? Even foreign excursions or the foreign trips they can afford. They can afford mobile phone for their studies, laptop for their studies, right? Or in this way they are providing a standard lifestyle to their children, right, in comparison to single earner or than a single earner. Second reason for this is the independent lifestyle, right? The children in which both parents are working, they become independent, right? If sometimes they get into situation they have to make a decision themselves, right? In this way they become a good decision maker, right? So this way they effectively tackle the problems of the real life. So our third reason is the active and energetic lifestyle. The children who are at home, they have to spend their life very actively and energetically because they are alone at home. They have many responsibilities, right? They have to work along with their household chores, right? So in this way they have to follow a very busy schedule, which helps them to grow their physical and mental growth. And about second view is that children do not get attention. First is the isolation becomes a major problem, right? How they become isolated, obviously their parents are not with them. This way the problem sharing is not done with anyone, right? So this is the lack of problem sharing which becomes the cause of stress and strain in their life. In this way they follow or they become a victim of depression, which further leads to many problems in futures, right? Second is that they do not perform good at studies. Obviously there is no one to provide attention and help in studies, right? When their exams are going on, there is no one to give them extra support or provide them extra classes or the extra studies at home, right? So they cannot perform good at studies. This way they lack in good academic score. Further they lack in career options because they have not scored good in their academics. Third is that they get indulged in drug or underage drinking, right? Due to non interfering behavior, children become vulnerable to take advantage of liberty and fall in the false company of drugs, and this may lead to many problems, right? So last will be our conclusion, in which we will have to present our opinion, right? So we will balance our statement in our conclusion or opinion, right? What we will write it, that to fulfill all the needs, or the to have a nourishment in child's upbringing, money is essential, right? But attention or supervision of father and mother has an equal role, right? So therefore love and support of parents should be with him, so that his development might not get hindered, right? But so the alternatives should be opted, right, in which we can opt that proper time should be given to by the parents to the children, right? On the weekends we can say, or on or evenings we can say, right? So this way you can make your essay effectively, right? So 4 paragraphs we will have to make. In first one we will have to write introduction, and in BP1 we will write our first view, in which you will have to write only 2 views, and in the second means your BP second, you will write 2 views of second, means children do not get attention, and last one will be your opinion plus conclusion. Thank you.